So I come out here about 2 or 3 times now, and it's really cool. All the graffiti is different every time I've been here. That Grinch that stole Christmas over there looks kind of brand new. The sun angle's horrible, but Las Vegas is right over that way. You can see a plane taking off in Mount Charleston. It's beautiful. 3 Kids Mine is what it's called now, and the Wheel of Misfortune is over here, and I'm going to try and find them both. The mine is over that way. There's a magnesium mine, World War II era, it ended after that, and there's actually talk in the papers in Las Vegas area about a developer developing this into a housing complex. Lake Las Vegas is just right over there, a really ritzy area. So I'm gonna ride up as far that way as I can and see what happens. There's glass everywhere, kind of got to dodge it and hope to not catch anything. Back tires bad. A lot of glass up here. Is this a mine right here? No way. You just drive right up to a mine? Holy cow. I can't believe you can just literally drive right up to it. They got a little berm to keep you. I'll just get you airborne really good. Holy cow. Wow. Tons of abandoned cars, boats. You could, not much to stop you from just driving, launching right down in there. Or falling, for that matter. If I fell right now, probably cascade 600 feet. Holy cow. All the tires at the bottom. I should fill this up and turn it into offsets like in Missouri. So I'm thinking it's the one in the middle there, because I remember some of the towers in the videos, but there's not too many plants. I don't know. Just be careful here for like booby traps. And glass. Gotta be really careful for glass here. Oh, nice fire pit. That's cool. Oh, there it is. Heck yeah. Wheel of Misfortune. Can I drive up in that one? Yeah. I'll go walk around in it. I knew it was the one that had the tower, and it was clean of all plants. You can see the plants are really small in there. It's only a couple years old. And a whole bunch of paint cans still down there. Oh, the skateboard ramp, that's cool. A bunch of people came out here really not too long ago and did this, and all this plumbing. This is all part of the magnesium mine back in the day. So there you have it. Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Misfortune. Light behind me now. I wonder what the words say. Bankrupt. Let's go walk. Bankrupt. Aware. Lose. House. Home. Somebody painted over something. Bank owned, not bank. Yeah, this is that dirt one. Wonder why this one specifically is full of dirt and the rest are not. Continental Twin Duro, it's pretty bad. 80% off-road. It's pretty squirrely on the highway on the grooved concrete. But other than that, it's pretty good. Nowadays, it just makes me want to go back in time and see what the hell this place looked like when it was working. You got big ass pipes going outside here. So big pipes coming out the side. Big broken pipes everywhere on the ground. Okay, they have holes in the side, so looks like you might have had one of those big pipes connected to that draining something out. There was a car up here. I was wondering who else was up here. Oh, they're tagging. Cool. Sweet. Live action. What's up, fellas?
Hello.
How's it going?
Oh,
What's up?
Sheriff, bro.
No, hell no.
I'm that same colors on.
No, I'm on a bike, dude.
Yeah, you good, bro? How
yeah,
you doing?
good. How are you?
What's up, bro?
Yeah,
Wait.
I just figured I'd check out some people live in action.
For sure, for sure.
Yeah, what's up, dude? How you doing?
So French hitchhiker I picked up.
Oh, nice.
Whatnot. I was like, bro, I gotta show you the fucking Wheel of Fortune and shit.
Yeah, it's cool, dude. Oh, this is crazy. Wow. I mean, you could just like not know what you're doing and drive right in there.
Yeah, right. Like back up.
Yeah,
Back again.
like hauling ass or something. Wow. Cool. Have a good day, guys. Yeah. See ya. Yeah. Oh, here you go. Can look in through here. Cool.